Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Jito or JTO coin itself, and I will just start with an obvious thing. So this is the price of JTO token, and this is its market cap. So what do you see here? So we see that the market cap is going up, but the price is not following that. Again, it is the case with most of the tokens, but I think that may not be a bad thing for the JTO token itself. Of course, it is a bad thing, but I think in the grand scheme of things, it may not be that much big of a deal for JTO token itself. So first of all, I will try to explain why this is. So basically, this is happening because of the sell pressure from the sell pressure from the core contributors most likely, and from the investors, as you can see here. And if we look here, the token itself is a governance token. So basically, users can actually set the fees for Jito Sol, and they can also update delegation strategies. They can also manage the treasury of the JTO token. They can also contribute to the ongoing development and improvements of the JTO's protocol itself. But if you look here, the investors started to receive tokens from this happened, I believe, from November 1st. So this is okay. I will just try to read it there. We'll do the new analysis anyways. So this is when that happened. So this is when the investors started to get their tokens. So the price basically jumped from 2.5 to as low as 1.8 in just 1 week, I believe, as you can see here. After that, the demand for the JTO went up and the price rebounded. Most likely, I think there were a lot of buyers waiting to buy this coin at the lower price. But this happened right after when the investors and the team got the token. As you can see here, this is a proof of why the price is going down again. But the investors start to receive token on a monthly basis, and as of now they will be receiving these tokens till 2026 of November. So that means the JTO could actually will most likely face a sell pressure for one more year. But there's a reason why I think the token could actually go higher than that. So if we look at the market cap of the token itself, as of now it is trading somewhere around 670 million, and at its lowest it was around 300, and it was trading around 300. So basically that is a 2x from that market cap. And if we look at the overall demand of the JTO, it is a massive one. So the demand of the JTO can be seen from its TVL, as you can see here. So this is the TVL of JTO. It is going up. Basically Jito itself is the biggest on the Solana. So this is a TVL of the Solana protocol, which is around 8.35 billion, and this is a JTO. As you can see, it is a massive, and it is the biggest as of now. And I think as long as the demand for the Solana continues to go up, the JTO will most likely follow. So I think overall the JTO's price action is mostly related to the Solana itself. But if we look at, as of now, it did not follow Solana, and I think that has to do with mostly its supply increase. But if we look at the demand is following the Solana, I think. Again, looking at its TVL, as you can see here, the TVL is going up and up. So it actually ended up peaking around somewhere 18 million SOL, but now it went down, as you can see here. It is down to 17, but I think it is a massive demand. It has happened, same thing happened in the past, but I don't think that it is a big deal. But again, if you look at overall its APY, it's pretty big one. This is a staking, and they also have something called restaking rewards as well. So they are providing different services. So that's a massive one, as you can see here. And if we look at the restaking stats, they are also up, as you can see here. So as of now, the restaking TVL is somewhere around 350 million, which is a lot. So overall, if we just go to the TVL itself, this is the TVL. So they have around 9 million in JTO token. After that they have 18 million in SOL, and after that they have BN SOL and other tokens. So overall, I think the increase in demand of the JTO protocol itself has actually boosted the token itself, JTO. So of course, the main utility of the token is to govern. So as long as there is a demand for the for the protocol itself, I think the demand for the JTO coin will increase, because I think most of the users, or the biggest users that use this protocol, would like to actually control the JTO's governance, of course, because they set different rewards and they can do a lot of things. So this is basically, I think, what is the biggest demand driver for the JTO in the long run. Of course, the supply will have a lot of impact on the price. It will most likely continue to struggle to go up and up, but I think also now let's talk about how its price will be if the total supply is in the circulation. So let's assume that the demand for the Solana continues to go up, but there are a lot of other factors such as Sui and other blockchains that are trying to compete in the same niche. Again, Solana is Solana is one of the biggest one as of now, but if we see another blockchain that could actually overtake the Solana, the demand for the Jito's protocol could go down. If that happens, the price will most likely go down. But if the Solana starts to go up, I think the Jito will go up as well. So let's assume that the 1 billion supply is in the circulation. So at that price, if the market cap remains around 1.9 billion, the price will be $2. If not, the price will most likely go lower. So if the market cap remains around 1 billion and the supply increases, the Jito, I think JTO coin itself will still be fine, trading somewhere around $1 and something like that. So looking at its price action, this is how it looks like. I think as of now, the biggest support that this coin as of now has, JTO has as of now, it's around this level, which is going to be around $1.55 to $1.3. If it actually goes to these levels, I think it will most likely push the price back even higher. But if it doesn't happen and the price continues to go up, I think we can actually go as high as 2.5 as of now. If it continues to go even higher, it can actually go high as 3.9, but I don't think that it is going to hit its all-time high as of now, because even if we look at the demand for these types of tokens, at least for the restaking solution, is just not there. Even if we look at the LDO token, so this is LDO. Even if you look at its demand, it has a massive TVL. I think it's over 24 or 23 billion. Again, its market cap is around 732 million. So I think the demand for this token is the max. I think it usually max out at 3 billion as of now. Of course, if the market recovers and we get if we get more funds into the market, the JTO could actually go above 1 billion, and it can if it goes to 1.5 billion, I think again the price will still be around $4. So that's it. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.